My name is Shannon Harrington, and when I decided to sell my house, I was using a different real estate agency. It was one of the most awful experiences of my life, and when I asked for a recommendation from somebody else, they said you need to speak with Michael and Linda Kolar. It has been the best thing that has happened to me. My house needed to be short-saled, and the experience has been, what I had heard was going to be an awful experience, turned out to be just, I'm amazed at how wonderful it has gone. The papers were signed, everything was explained to me up front, every paper was read to me. Do I have any questions, they said. Call me if you need anything. They were there when I called. I knew what was coming, I knew what was going to happen every step of the way. And I can't ask for anything. I'm just so blessed that they were introduced to me. They are trustworthy, honest, ethical, just wonderful, amazing people. I cannot say enough. I am so wonderful, so proud that they chose me as much as I chose them. And I just can't say enough about them. This process has been wonderful, and I'm just amazed at how fast it went. When I got the call that it had been approved already, I was just beside myself, but they checked in every step of the way. They asked, do you need anything? And I would say no. They would call the bank. They asked the bank if they needed anything. What can I do to make this better? And I got a phone call saying it had been approved in less than a month, and I am just so thankful. And I want to tell everybody, if you need to use a real estate company, if you need people to help present, I highly recommend Linda and Michael Kolar.